I wanted to show everybody my costume, my wasp costume that I have so far. I'm still working on the wings, but I had a few people that had wanted to know how the bottoms were looking. So I wanted to kind of talk to you about my pants that I did. I first actually bought the pants already with the leather fronts, and it's a stretchy back. And so what I did was I got some of that gray parachute cord that I've been using, and I lined it against between the leather and the material. And then I got the neon lights that I'm using also, and I lined the pants, as you can see here, and it made it easier for me to stitch it. So what I used was the see-through thread, and what I did was I hand stitched this on first, and I made sure not to hit the leather piece so that way it wouldn't make holes in the leather. And then when I was putting the neon lights on it, what I was doing was like an understitch, and I did like a little turn like that going up, and so that helped it kind of keep it in place as well as I was going around. And it basically goes, you know, around the back, and then it goes down this leg here, and then it goes. I actually have the light stretching inside the cord, or inside my pants, coming up into the pockets of my belt that I made here. So I just got some strapping, and I added a couple pockets here, and so here's where I have my actual controllers for my lights for my top and my pants. I have them right here. Then I also added a little light here. It was actually a wall light, and what I did was sprayed it yellow and then painted it black with a black enamel paint. So that way I can get my light for my belt that I want to use. So, and then I just added a couple more pockets on this side, because once I place my wings and have my wings up, it will actually, the remote controls will be into those pockets as well. So that way I can have easy accessible. So I'm going to turn off the lights here in a minute, and then I'm going to show you how my suit looks all glowed up. Alright, so now you can see how my lights look around the pants. And then my top. And my belt. Now the good thing about the lights also, it has a couple different features that you can do to it. So you can do the long, small pausing blink, a quick blink, then you turn it off, then you have your light that just stays still. So I think for my costume itself, I'm going to have them just like that, where it just stays glowed up. And then the ones on my wings, I'm going to have it blinking, so it kind of looks like they're fluttering as well when I have them on. So stay tuned to our channel. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, so that way you can see my the finished project for my wings. Thank you, and stay tuned.